Question 1. According to the shared responsibility model, which aspect do cloud security recommendations, e.g. from Azure Defender for Cloud or AWS Security Hub, primarily focus on addressing for customers? Option A. Physical security of the cloud provider's data centers. Option B. Security of the underlying cloud infrastructure and hardware. Option C. Security times the cloud, including customer data, applications, and configurations. Option D. Global network backbone security and hypervisor integrity. The correct answer is security times the cloud, including customer data, applications, and configurations. Here's the explanation. Cloud security recommendations primarily guide customers on securing their responsibilities in the cloud, such as correctly configuring resources, managing identity and access, and protecting their data and applications. The cloud provider is responsible for the security of the cloud. Options A, B, D. Question 2. A Cloud Security Posture Management (CSPM) tool identifies multiple security issues in an organization's cloud environment, ranging from unencrypted storage accounts to overly permissive network rules. How are these findings typically presented to help security teams manage remediation efforts effectively? Option A. As a flat, unsorted list of all identified issues. Option B. Prioritized based on severity, potential impact, and compliance mapping. Option C. Grouped by the specific cloud service that generated the finding. Option D. Ordered alphabetically by the name of the affected resource. The correct answer is prioritized based on severity, potential impact, and compliance mapping. Here's the explanation. CSPM tools and security recommendation services prioritize findings based on factors like severity, critical, high, medium, low, potential impact, and relevance to compliance standards. This helps security teams focus their remediation efforts on the most critical and impactful issues first. Question 3. A DevOps team is implementing a shift-left security approach for their cloud deployments. They integrate their infrastructure as code (IAC) pipeline with a security recommendation service. What is the primary benefit of this integration in the context of security recommendations? Option A. It allows for automated patching of virtual machine operating systems after deployment. Option B. It identifies and remediates security misconfigurations in IAC templates before resources are provisioned. Option C. It provides real-time monitoring of application runtime vulnerabilities. Option D. It encrypts all data at rest for resources defined in the IAC templates. The correct answer is it identifies and remediates security misconfigurations in IAC templates before resources are provisioned. Here's the explanation. Integrating security recommendations with IAC pipelines enables shift-left security by scanning templates for misconfigurations that would lead to vulnerabilities before deployment. This allows developers to fix security flaws early in the development lifecycle, preventing insecure resources from ever being created in the cloud. Options A, C, and D describe other security practices, but not the primary benefit of shift-left with IAC scanning. Question 4. What is the primary security benefit of implementing just-in-time JIT-VM access? Option A. It encrypts all data stored on the virtual machine disks. Option B. It automatically patches the operating system of the virtual machine. Option C. It significantly reduces the attack surface by closing high-risk management ports until explicitly needed. Option D. It performs continuous vulnerability scanning on the virtual machine. The correct answer is it significantly reduces the attack surface by closing high-risk management ports until explicitly needed. Here's the explanation. The core principle of JIT-VM access is to reduce the attack surface of virtual machines by ensuring that network access to management ports, like SSH/RDP, is only open when explicitly needed and for a limited duration. The other options are related to other security controls, not JIT access. Question 5. When a user successfully requests JIT VM access, which underlying Azure Network Security component does the JIT service dynamically modify to enable temporary access? Option A, Azure DDoS protection. Option B, Azure DNS zones. Option C, Network Security Groups, NSGs. Option D, Azure Express Route Circuits. The correct answer is Network Security Groups, NSGs. Here's the explanation. The JIT service dynamically modifies underlying cloud network security controls, such as Network Security Groups, NSGs, in Azure, to create a temporary inbound rule for the requested ports and source IP, and then removes it after the specified duration. Question 6. Which of the following are key characteristics of just-in-time JIT VM access? Option A, permanent open ports, broad IP ranges, manual rule management. Option B, time-bound, port-specific, and IP-specific access. Option C, application-level encryption, always-on access, no audit trails. Option D, network performance monitoring, static firewall rules, public internet exposure. The correct answer is time-bound, port-specific, and IP-specific access. Here's the explanation. JIT access is characterized by granting access for a strictly limited period, time-bound, opening only the exact ports requested, port-specific, and often restricting access to specific source IP addresses or ranges, IP-specific. It aims to eliminate permanent open ports and provides audit trails. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.